Matt here. Let's talk about Captcha setup. Now, when setting up Captchas in Scrapebox, it's only going to work, at least at this time, with a few various functions. One function would be slow commenter. Another function would be if you're using the original proxy harvester and you want to use the unblock feature for Google. Captcha support will work with that, and then it also works with the new learning mode poster beta add-on. So those are the areas where Captcha support is going to work. Now, as far as actually setting up the Captcha, it's pretty easy. There's various things you can do or services you can use with Captcha support, and up here under the Captcha menu, set up automatic Captcha solving. Now, you can use at this point decapture, death by capture, image typers, more may be added or taken away at any given time, but it's pretty easy. You just pick the one you want, so I'm going to pick decapture, and then you would punch in your username and your password. And then once it's done, of course, you can save it, remove it, or hit clear fields, and then you can check your balance, and it'll come up and say your balance is X dollars. This account happens to have 0. And I can save that, and then if I want to use this service, I have to hit this use selected service button or it's not going to do it. Just saving it doesn't work. So use selected service, and then I can enable automatic Captcha solving for slow commenter, and then I can enable it for the proxy manager. And then if I have to choose use service, I can also set it up in the learning mode poster beta. And when we pop that open, it's under here under setup. You can use Captcha solving right here and decapture services. So as far as using Captchas, that is how you set it up, and that is how you use it. If when you set it up the balance doesn't come up or something like that, something's not configured correctly, your username and password is wrong, and if Captcha is not working, like you don't notice your balance going down, make sure you've hit this use select the service button. And that is all for Captcha setup.